Hey scholars, so this week we're going to be talking about different types of sentences. Today we're going to focus on something called a simple sentence. So when we have a simple sentence, we have a subject, which tells us who or what the sentence is about, and then an action, so what the subject is doing. So we're going to come up with a couple of examples to help you out for simple sentences. So the first part, I'm going to write always the subject in blue, and then I'm going to write our action in red so we can tell the difference in our simple sentences. So for one example, we could say our subject is the students. So that's already telling us who the sentence is about. It's about the students, who or what. Now we're not finished because we still need to come up with an action. What are the students doing? If you just write the students, it's not a complete sentence. So we have to add something that they're doing. So the students, so one thing that students are doing are learning. And then I can't forget, since I'm telling something, I'm going to put my period at the end. So I'm going to check to make sure it makes sense. So the students, that's my subject who this sentence is about, are learning. And my action. So when it's a simple sentence, all you need to have is one subject, something it's about, and an action. It's that simple. So I want us to come up with a couple more. So we have our subject this time will be the lion. So that's who our sentence is about. But are we finished yet? No, because we still need to put what the action is. What is the lion doing? So the lion, I'm going to say, is walking. And then I put my period. So I have my subject, who the sentence is about. It's about the lion. And I'm telling you what the lion's doing. It's the action. So we have these two parts to make our simple sentence. Let's do two more. So again, I'm starting with my subject, the leaves. So I know that this sentence is going to be about leaves. But I'm not finished yet because I need my second part for my simple sentence, my action, what the leaves are doing. So the leaves are falling. Now I finished my simple sentence. I have my subject, the leaves, and what they're doing, the action, they're falling. Okay, let's do one more simple sentence. So I'm going to have the tree. So I have my subject, who or what this sentence is about, the tree. But I'm not finished yet because I still need this action, what the tree is doing. So the tree is growing. And I'll put my period because I'm telling something. So I have my first part, the subject, the tree, and then I have the second part, the action, is growing. So when you have a simple sentence, you're always going to have just two parts. You'll have your subject, who or what the sentence is about, and then the action, what is that subject doing? Are they running? Are they growing? Are they learning? Are they walking? So again, you'll have just two parts for your simple sentences, the subject, who or what, and the action, what the subject is doing. So again, for the first sentence, the students is our subject, our learning's our action. Then we had the lion was our subject, is walking is our action. The leaves was our subject, are falling is our action. The tree is our subject, and is growing is our action. So again, you'll have just two parts, the subject and the action, to make a simple sentence. And then don't forget your punctuation at the end. Continue to practice creating your own simple sentences. Great job!